In this video we will start new chapter, that is quadratic equation. Okay, questions. We have already learned about the polynomials and their zeros. We have already learned about graphical representation of linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. When a polynomial f of x, suppose f of x is given x square plus 2x plus 1. If I equate this polynomial, suppose x square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0, it means this is called quadratic equation. Okay. Similarly, suppose this is the linear polynomial. Now if we are equating, it is 3x minus 2 is equals to 0, it means it is called linear equation. Okay. So if f of x is a quadratic polynomial, so what is the standard form is f of x is equals to ax square plus bx plus c, where a does not is equals to 0. So if I am writing f of x is equals to 0, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So it is called quadratic equation. Okay. We have already learned about the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. So suppose f of x is equals to 0 be a quadratic equation, then the zeros of this polynomial is called the roots of the equation of f of x is equals to 0. Okay. Now we will discuss different type of question related to quadratic equation. So type 1 question, we have to identify that is a given equation is quadratic or not. So first question, x square minus 6x plus 4 is equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. Yes, because this is the, if I say f of x is equals to x square minus 6x plus 4, so it is a quadratic polynomial. If I am equating is equals to 0, so it is called quadratic equation. Okay. Now move on the second question, that is 2x square minus 7x. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Now move on the third question, that is x plus 3 upon x is equals to x square. Okay. Now we have to equate this, we have to simplify, so it will be x square plus 3 is equals to x cube, then transfer it, so it will be x cube minus x square minus 3 is equals to 0. So the maximum power of x is 3. It means the given polynomial of, if I write it f of x is equals to this, so this is the cubic polynomial. Why? Because degree is 3, so it is not a quadratic polynomial. Okay. Then fourth one, x square plus 1 upon x square is equals to 2. Now when we will solve it, so it will be x to the power 4 plus 1 is equals to 2x square. It is also not a quadratic polynomial because this is x to the power 4 minus 2x square plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay. Now second type of question on determining whether the given values are solutions of the given equation or not. So this second type of question, suppose first question is given 3x square minus 2x minus 1, okay, is equals to 0, and x is equals to 1 is given. Now we have to find whether x is equals to 1 is a solution of the given equation or not. Okay. So we just put x is equals to 1 in the left hand side. Okay, so left hand side is equals to 3x square minus 2x minus 1. So 3 into 1 whole square minus 2 into 1 and minus 1. Okay, so it will be 3 minus 2. Yes, it will be 0. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. It means x is equals to 1 is the solution of the given equation. Second question, 6x square minus x minus 2 is equals to 0, where x is equals to minus 1 by 2 and x is equals to 2 by 3. So we just put the values in the left hand side. So it will be 6x square minus x minus 2. So 6 into 1 upon 4 minus and minus become plus. So 1 upon 2 minus 2. Okay. Now it will be 3 by 2. Then plus 1 by 2 minus 2. So it will be 4 upon 2, that is 2. 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. So this is the solution of the given equation. Then now we have to check x is equals to 2 by 3. So again left hand side 6x square minus x minus 2. So 6 into 4 upon 9, then minus 2 upon 3 minus 2. So it will be 3 2s are 3 3s are 9. Okay, so 4 2s are 8. So you can see that 8 minus 2 is will be 6. 6 upon 3, that is 2. 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. It means it is also a solution of the given equation. Now third type of question on determining an unknown involved in a quadratic equation when its roots are given. So we have to find the value of unknown value, that is called k. Okay, so suppose first question is given kx square plus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. So where x is equals to 2. Okay, so we just put this x is equals to 2, then find out the value of x. So it will be k then into 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 3 is equals to 0. So it will be 4k plus 4 minus 3 is equals to 0. So 4k plus 1 is equals to 0, that is k is equals to minus 1 upon 4. Okay. Then next question, suppose x square plus 2ax minus k is equals to 0. So given x is equals to minus a. Now we have to find the value of k. Okay, so here a whole square plus 2a into minus a minus k is equals to 0. So it will be a square then minus 2a square minus k is equals to 0. It will be minus a square minus k is equals to 0. So k is equals to minus a square. Now move on the formulation of a quadratic equation. Okay, so quadratic equations arise in several situations. So there are some examples will explain the formulation of the quadratic equation. So first question is the product of two consecutive positive integers is 240. Okay, so consecutive positive integer, so let's say first is x, so next will be x plus 1. Okay, now their product will be equal to the 240. So equation will be x is multiplied by x plus 1 is equals to 240. Now we have to multiply x square plus x is equals to 240. Now transfer it. So it will be, this is the solution. So this is called the quadratic equation. Okay, now the question is formulate the quadratic equation. If question will be find out the solution of this quadratic equation, then we have to solve. Okay, otherwise this is the answer. Now move on the second question. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meter is 1 more than twice its breadth. Okay, so let's say breadth is x, so L will be 2x plus 1 meter. Okay, it will be meters. Now area of plot is equals to 528. So what is the area? L into B. So x into 2x plus 1 is equals to 528 meter square. Okay, so it will be 2x square plus x is equals to 528, then 2x square plus x minus 528 is equals to 0. Okay, next question. A 2-digit number is such that the product of the digit is 12. Okay, so let's say 10-digit number is 10th digit of the number is x. Okay, so suppose its product is equals to 12. So what is the unit digit number? Units digits will be 12 upon x. Okay, suppose x into y is equals to 12. So if y will be what? Y will be what? 12 upon x. Okay, now number becomes 10 into x plus this unit value, so 12 upon x. Okay, now when 36 is added to the number, the digits interchanging their places. Okay, so what is the number after changing its place? So it will be 10 into 12 upon x plus x. When it will change? When we are adding 36. So 10x plus 12 upon x plus 36. Now we have to simplify it. So it will become 10x plus 12 upon x plus 36 is equals to 120 upon x plus x. So when we transfer it, so this is 10x and x, so it will be 9x. Okay, then it will be 12 upon x, and it will be 120 upon x. When it will be transferred, so it will be minus 108 upon x, then plus 36 is equals to 0. Then it will be, when take LCM, so it will be 9x square minus 108 plus 36x is equals to 0. Divide 9 on both sides, so it will be x square plus 4x, then minus 12 is equals to 0. Okay, so from this you can formulate the quadratic equation.